Hi, Professor. Good afternoon. This is Praveen Kumar Annepu. Today, as a team, we are going to give MRP Research Presentation on second phase of Georgian CSSI Analysis and Dashboard 2022. My team members are Karthik, he is doing the lead role, and Manish and Yashmin, they are doing the BA role, and myself Praveen, and I'm doing the developer role. And coming to our agenda, so we will be our presentation will be as followed: overview, weekly status report, roadblocks, recommendation, and demonstration. And coming to the overview, the purpose of this proposal is to identify the needs and initiatives for our project that we will carry out for the Center for Changemaking and Social Innovation Department, which is the CCSI department at Georgian College. The CCSI is developing a series of micro-certificate courses to provide students with more tools to help them thrive in school after graduation, especially in employment. These micro-certificate courses are designed to cultivate students' empathy skills, broaden their understanding of diversity and inclusion, as well as to strengthen their communication and leadership skills. The center is seeking ways to demonstrate the impact of the courses to support students' success and retention in the program. So our project is the extension of the with our seniors had worked previously on this project, and we are working on the second phase. And coming to the technologies we used in our project are Power BI, Microsoft Forms, and Python script. And as a team, we have done our research about learning the existing flow of the project and worked on upskilling required knowledge stack. We used to spend our quality time on brainstorming about the project scope. We are getting enough support from the clients, and they are always happy to help us. And we have scheduled our weekly status calls with clients, Brittany and Mike, on every Friday. And coming to the first week meeting which we had the initial discussions to kickstart the development, and we have asked the permission for this SharePoint for the UAT, where we can do our normal changes, and once all the changes are finalized, we can review them with the client and move to the to live. And coming to the second week, we got the resources for the required development, and we started discussion about this project scope of color code and range discussion be continued by Ashmin Kaur.
Our another weekly status report in October is here. Dashboard design and Microsoft Excel forms testing created a new KPI dashboard with new rules for colors and got approval from client. Microsoft form for feedback survey needs to be tested and we got a duplicate version of it. In the next slide, you can see the roadblocks. There are maximum 6 roadblocks in which the first one is separate analysis for micro certificates. Another is including scoreboard, dynamic filters for student comments, update forms for Excel server questions, MS form data as post survey data. Last, update measures, we need credentials. There are some recommendations. Our team will provide a dashboard to CCSI, and the visualization will provide an easy comprehension of effectiveness of the courses. Additionally, our team will also provide an insights to the trend in the data and positive impacts that the courses are providing to the students and to the college, in which they can see how much it is beneficial. To further assist and develop the Microsoft micro-credential courses, a SWOT analysis of the effort will be offered. The findings will support the continuous improvement of the courses as well as making informed decisions in relation to the courses CCSI should develop.
Good morning, Professor. This is Manish who is going to continue with the presentation. Out of all the requirements which have been given to us by the clients, we did put few of the client requirements in the progress, out of which the first one we have completed or demonstrated to the client regarding the different multiple measures which was asked by the client. So we added few more measures by using the tags functions, and later we have even did a dynamic filter for the students comments, so that the student can manually filter get the required comments on the comment board. Like if the student is looking for a particular micro certificate, he wants to look for the good comments, he would go for the good comments, and he even wants to see the lowest comments for the particular course, he would even see that, so that he can decide like what is the progress of what is the uses of taking this particular micro certificate course. And later we did even add the separate analysis for the micro certificate. It would be highly recommended, so that each micro certificate is good for their particular area of improvement. So we have added a separate micro analysis for certificate, so that it would be easy for the student to choose a particular one when like they are planning to take the particular micro certificate course. And we have also included a scorecard, so that depending on the feedback given from students on the pre-feedback form and the content running feedback form, we did create a survey of objective versus growth and engagement on the dashboard, so that it would be easy for everyone to know like how the particular micro certificate course is good and in what ways it would be helpful to them. And we have even updated no value groups and sort logics, so that there are tables and queries and steps to show no value groups and sort logics in the bar chart and the comparison charts. And we have even included a comment board in which it has two stages, like what are the strong list, like it's like a posting of different comments, basically like how strongly a particular student agrees with this particular point given by another user, so that it would create a kind of harmony among the students or among the people who are trying to join the particular micro certificate course, and it would help to get more interacted with the particular students, and it would be easy for them to take it. And coming to the budget, we have actually allocated about 80 hours of budget for this particular project, and out of which we have used about 66 hours, and per hour we have taken about $50. As you can see the bar graph at the bottom, which is actually the budgeted hours versus the task we have used. So for the first and this bar graph is updated until the time of 14th of October, out of which you can see for the first meeting we have used approx 10 hours, for the second we have used approx 10 hours, and in total we have used about 66 hours with the amount of progress we have done. And you can see the completed task versus task names, out of which about 74% of the project is done, with each mentioning like what have been completed. So from here, Karthik is gonna take over.
Hi Professor, this is Ananta Tirunagari, and today I'm going to explain what are the changes we have done till date, and I'm going to demonstrate the Power BI dashboard and with the all KPI metrics uh, in the Power BI tool. So mainly we have changed the KPI dashboard changes. We have refreshed everything apart from the previous graphs and colors we have. We have changed the existing dashboard to a new look of this dashboard. We have added the colors dynamically with depending upon the percentages, which will be shown in the demo of Power BI. We have given the filters with the slices here with the pre-survey and feedback survey data which we have. So this is the overall KPI dashboard where a user can come and see overall performance of the student, the recommendations, the positiveness response, the feedback, the student comments before the journey, the students who need the support, and these all data they are collecting from Excel, and those Excel data which we are representing in the KPI dashboard. So the next coming change is the student comment board, in which we have added the pre and post survey data. In student comment board, we have shown the post comment data retrieved directly from the Excel survey, and the data is provided in the form of in the Microsoft forms, which are dynamically entered by each student, and the data is changing accordingly to the filters which we apply here in this student comment board. In the other graph dashboard, we have changed the look and appearance, and the colors is a demographic dashboard. Here we have changed the colors according to the specified ranking system which was given by our clients, according to which we have uh, generated the graphs, and we have colored them according to our metrics which we have. So now demo of the Power BI. I'm gonna take to the Power BI section. So this is the landing page of our CSSI Microsoft certificate dashboard. So here we have all the types of dashboards which we have. We can directly click and go and check for the dashboards, and we this is the main KPI dashboard which we have got the reference from the old seniors project, and we have converted it to the new KPI dashboard metrics with the new graphs, new colors, themes, and these colors are generated dynamically upon the formulas which we are given in the metrics here. And we have a demographic dashboard here. This is the live demonstration, and we have all the colors upon different age group counts and all. We have defined the colors according to the ranking system here, and these all the graphs are done by the graphic systems here. Coming to the student comment dashboard, we have taken the data from the student dashboard, and these data which we are fetching are directly from the Excel sheet provided by the students in the Power BI, and the data which we are collecting here directly reflects here, where we are filtering it with the pre-survey data and the post-survey data here. So coming to the main KPI dashboard, if you can see the new changes which we have applied. Yeah, when you can see when we click on that, we have a special matrix here which we have declared for the color combinations, the functions, and here in the conditional formatting we have given the gradient style, and we have rule style and a field value style as well. We have used the other two as the field and field value. For this we have given the minimum value and the maximum value which we have, depending upon the color which we have, it dynamically chooses the color here. So coming to the second graph here, if you can see, we have filled this color according to the formulas which were given by the client. The minimum value from 0 to 40 we are taking to red, and from 40 to 80 the blue color, and 80 to 100 we are taking for the green color. So this is one of the formatting styles which we have in the Power BI especially. Thank you, Professor.